As a medical educator, over the last 1 decade, I have seen a lot of changes in the exams that occur for PG entrance for MBBS students. शुरुआत में हुआ करता था ऑल इंडिया एग्जाम विद स्टेट एग्जाम्स, उसका मर्जर होके बना नीट, एंड अब नीट आने लगा फॉर ऑल द एग्जाम्स फॉर ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स अक्रॉस इंडिया. जब नीट आने लगा, नीट हैड चेंज द पैटर्न फ्रॉम बीइंग फैक्ट बेस्ड टू बिकमिंग अ स्लाइटली क्लिनिकल बेस्ड एग्जाम. बट अब आने वाला है नेक्स्ट. A lot of confusion is occurring कि next में क्या पूछा जाएगा. Well, in this 10 years, I have also seen other changes. Not only has the pattern of exam changed, but there has been a merger of exams. For example, MD के exam और DNB के exam अब merge हो गए. इन 10 सालों में मैंने ये भी देखा है कि a lot more students are getting seats of their choice. But paradoxically, a lot more students are afraid of the PG entrance. जब ये exam का pattern change होता है ना, तो दो चीजें होती है. One is your seniors can no longer guide you because they have not seen that new exam pattern. So you are left on your own. फिर आता है fear, फिर आता है confusion, and that's where people rush to join coaching classes which promise that they will deliver results. Well, that's not wrong. You need coaching classes. I'm not saying anything against the coaching class, but understand कि अभी next तो आई नहीं है. As I'm recording this video, अब तक तो next आई नहीं है. But I have heard about webinars where people are describing how next will occur. How will anybody know that pattern? Well, honestly, nobody knows. The confusion is for everyone. And that's where I see the silver lining. जब एग्जाम का पैटर्न बदल जाता है, if nobody knows, then only that student wins who understand the concept. अगर आपके concepts अच्छे हैं, you have a definite edge. I'm Dr. Sushant Shinde. I'm a physician and medical educator for the last 10 years. I've been mentoring students across the country to become the clinicians of tomorrow. In this video, I'm going to tell you a secret. A secret of how do you prepare when the PG entrance exam pattern is changing. But before I tell you the secret, I should tell you a difference. A difference between what I say is an exam or assessment and what I believe is learning. We need to understand what these things do. Well, exam या assessment, it is done so that you can prove to the world that you understand. Exam is done to test the student कि उसने क्या सीखा है. Exam is done to tell the world that you are competent enough to handle patient care. But exam is an event. साल में, 2 साल में, 5 साल में एक बार आने वाला event है ये. You can't dedicate half a decade of your life just for one event. Exam or assessments are not equal to life. But look at learning. Well, learning doesn't happen out of fear, it happens out of curiosity. You learn because you want to grow as a professional. You learn because you want to become a problem solver, both your problems and the problems of your patient. You learn because you want to belong to this wonderful profession of becoming doctors. When you learn, you grow. Not out of fear, but out of compassion and out of a joy of learning. Learning, my friends, is then not an event, but learning is a lifelong process. And assessments की अगर बात करें, तो I would say as a physician tomorrow, you are going to face those assessments every day when you meet your patients. Every patient that I meet is a new challenge. And my learning prepares me for my lifetime to take up these challenges on an every day. So as promised, here is my secret for you. If you want to prepare for an ever-changing pattern of exam, the secret is become a learner for life. Become a learner who can solve any problem of your patient. Because eventually, जो भी patterns change हो रहे हैं ना, all the patterns are trying to test one thing. Are you competent enough to take care of a patient by your own independently? The day you are confident of that, the day you have learned enough, you will be ready for any exam pattern. If you understand this secret and want to learn more such strategies to become a lifelong learner, follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll see you there again. Till then, goodbye and Jai Hind.